Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add apps to Apple CarPlay. Make sure you already have downloaded your Apple CarPlay Connect and select your CarPlay Connect. And once you have installed the app, you need to connect your iPhone to your CarPlay compatible vehicle. And depending on your car, you can connect using a USB cable car or wirelessly if your vehicle supports wirelessly CarPlay. You need to follow any prompt that appear on your iPhone or your car's display to complete the connection. And after connecting, open the setting and go to the general in the top. And over here, scroll a bit down until you find this CarPlay and select this CarPlay. And here you'll see all the apps that support CarPlay. And to add an app to CarPlay, you can select the plus button next to the app if it's listed under this. And that is it. That's how you can add apps in Apple CarPlay. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.